I would like to talk very briefly about the different data roles. As I've shown it many times before, a typical data science project consists of 6 steps: data collection, data storage, data cleaning, using the data, visualization, and decision. If we draw a line somewhere around data cleaning, it is clear that on the left side of the line there are more technological tasks to deal with, there is a lot more coding, there is a lot more technology, and fewer business-related questions. On the right side of the line, the further we go right, the more business thinking we will need. Coding is still required, but on a less deep level than on the left side. Following this structure, we can break data experts into different positions and roles. Data collection, for example, is typical a developer's task. We are talking about the developers who coded the website, the product, the mobile app, and so on. They can also have data storage related tasks, but data storage, and sometimes data collection too, is mostly the responsibility of data engineers, or in case of big data, we call them big data engineers. The data engineer's role is to make sure that the data is collected, stored well, and quite often they are also responsible for data cleaning. On the other side of data cleaning, you will find the roles called data analyst and data scientist. Their main job is to transform the data into business value. But of course, they also have to do some data cleaning, and they might work on data visualization and decision support tasks too. The difference between the two is that a data analyst usually deals with descriptive analytics projects, while a data scientist usually works with more machine learning and sometimes predictive analytics related things. But as I said, the line is a bit blurry between a data analyst and a data scientist's tasks. A business intelligence analyst works mainly with data visualization and helps decision makers to understand the data. Sometimes they also work with data analytics tasks. And the decisions are made, as usual, by decision makers and managers. Let me mention once again that there is no professional consensus on who we can call data scientists and who we can't. Many people use the word data scientist as a role that covers all these data professional types, and I like that. I mean, it really depends on the organization itself, but in my opinion, a data engineer's job is just as scientific as a person's who, for example, creates machine learning models. So it wouldn't be a nice thing if they couldn't call themselves data scientists, right? Anyways, this was the first half of the course. We went through what is data science, what does a typical data project look like, the real meanings of the different data science concepts and keywords, and what data science roles exist. In the second half of the course, I will show you 14 typical data science projects.